Welcome back. So it's a whole new way to experience shopping. 4 dozen Bed Bath & Beyond stores in the country have gotten a whole new look. One of them is in Overland Park. There's a chef's central station and a coffee bar where you can actually compare different types of machines and their fixings, like the sugar-free syrup, or check out the egg mold in the shape of a dog's face. Amy Sewell gives us a tour. When you walk in one of the newly remodeled Bed Bath & Beyond stores, you can automatically see a difference. How is the experience actually different?
Well, this has been totally opened up, as you can see. Bed Bath & Beyond is testing new shopping formats in about 4 dozen stores around the country. The store in Overland Park is the only one in this area. So it's a really great way just to come in and experience it in a whole new way. As you can see, things have really been opened up. The aisles are wider, so that gives you a little more elbow room, if you're maneuvering a stroller maybe, or you're pushing a cart around.
Okay, and of course, more room to look for this awesome home decor. You also have a new treasure hunt section where we're seeing furniture for the first time.
Yeah, you'll see this right as you come in the store. There's a lot of seasonal decor items, and you'll see a lot of furniture, accent tables, even, side chairs, dining tables and chairs. So there's really something in there to suit every style, and it's all displayed in a way where you can really envision having this in your own home.
We can kick back, put our feet up, and go.
Exactly. Well, now we're in the treasure hunt section. This is something that is brand new. This is a great place to find great deals on all types of home furnishings, from seasonal decor items to even room-sized rugs. You also see furniture for the first time, so if you're looking for accent tables, chairs, maybe even a little dinette set, you can now find that here.
Okay, talking about a dinette set, you guys have a chef's central, and this is for anyone who would just love to bake, to cook. Let's take a look around there.
Let's go.
Besides having colorful spatulas, why is Chef Central such a special place?
Well, this is an amazing place for people who love to cook and bake, because as you can see, there's really something for everybody here. If you need a wooden spoon, you don't just have 1 or 2 to choose from, you have dozens to choose from. Really, all the cookware and bakeware and utensils that you need at pretty much any price point, you're going to be able to find it here.
I was spying some unicorn popsicle makers back there, and I'm like, that's perfect for summertime.
Absolutely, and there's even a whole wall of things, for making eggs and ice cream, all sorts of different utensils for doing that. This is also a place where you can come to actually learn about cooking as well. Because on the weekends, on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, there are cooking classes and demos going on in the kitchen here. So it's really a great place to come out and experience the store in a whole new way that you haven't before.
Okay, and what do we have for people who love to bake?
Well, there's an entire section of all sorts of bakeware. So with any size or shape of pan that you want, for cookies, for cakes. If you like to decorate cakes and cookies, pretty much anything that you need is going to be here in the store.
Now we can actually get cooking demos at Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yes, and we're right in the middle of Chef Central, and this is one of only 2 stores in the country that will have this full kitchen that you see here. And if you come in on weekends, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday afternoons, there will be a lot of cooking classes and demos going on. Maybe you want to learn how to use different types of knives. There might be, some new products or gadgets out. You want to learn how to use those. You can even come in and get your knives sharpened here and bring those in, commercial grade quality, $8 a knife. So it's a really great way to bring those in and get those done while you're shopping at the same time.
Okay, and then of course, after all that, it may be time for a beverage, so we can actually stop off at the coffee bar. And if all this shopping makes you feel like you need a caffeine boost, you can actually come over to the coffee bar so you can take a look at some of the machines before you actually buy.
Exactly, and that's really great to have, because whenever you're going to spend hundreds of dollars or even more on an espresso or coffee machine, you want to make sure you know how to use it. So if you come over here, these are all hooked up and ready to go, and there's always going to be an associate here to show you how to use them.
Okay, and are they all across the spectrum, from top of the line to things that you could purchase very easily?
Exactly, there's really something for everybody here. There's even a place where you can try out K-Cup pods before you buy them. A lot of people have the Keurig single-serve machines at home. It's a great way to try those out before you buy a large box of them.
And for the jet setter or all those summer travels, what do you have here?
Well, Bed Bath & Beyond is very well known for having a huge supply of travel and trial size items. So this is great for summer vacations, or if you just want to try something new, it's a great way to do that before you buy a larger package. It's also nice for people on the go, toss things in your gym bag so that you're never without the essentials that you need.
Okay, well, I'm amazed by the selection.
Yeah, there's 3 huge aisles of this, so if you're looking for something, you're probably going to find just about anything that you need in the travel size here.
Well, and that Chef Central station will have free classes and demos each weekend, but this unique shopping experience is only available at the 120th and Metcalf location in Overland Park. To find a store near you, go to bedbathandbeyond.com. Well, these fashion trends will have your kids